Hello and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm Steven, and this channel is all about our real world travel adventures, especially our favorite type, cruise vacations. When you have to squeeze it in to your busy day job, life commitments, and all that stuff that I'm sure you can all relate to. We just wanted to check in today, and I just about tripped. It's the end of November here. It's getting cold, the holidays are approaching, and like many of you I'm sure can relate, it's going to be a busy time. We've got some high priority work commitments coming up, so between that and the holidays, we just wanted to check in, give a little personal update on the channel because there will be that change to our posting schedule over the next month or so. But don't worry, we are going nowhere because we've got some fantastic cruise vacations coming up. But first, we still have our ship tour from our most recent cruise coming to the channel soon. Then we have our full experience from our post-cruise adventures in Europe. So lots coming to the channel, so be sure to stay subscribed and we'll be bringing you those very soon. But coming up, we have our winter cruises scheduled, and we are so excited because they're going to be on two of the world's newest cruise ships, like the two newest cruise ships in the world. And we would love for you to leave a comment telling us what, when going on a new cruise ship, we should be sure to experience. What should we not leave out? What do you want to see us bring? And we'll have those details coming to you soon. We'll let you know what ships they are as well in an upcoming video. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Now, let's get real for a moment. We really are just regular travelers, and I know on the channel sometimes it appears like we're just off traveling all the time. That's not the case. We're squeezing in our travel between our work schedules, using vacation time whenever we get it, and between all the other commitments. So if you're the type who likes to travel, maybe loves to travel, and you're trying to squeeze it in whenever you can, but you have all those other commitments, that's like us. So this is the perfect channel for you if you want to see how we navigate that and hopefully entertain you a bit along the way. So although our posting schedule will be a little bit different over the next little bit, now is a perfect time to subscribe, especially if you're new here, because the new year is going to bring all new cruises, and we're going to bring you behind the scenes a bit more. We're hoping to show you what it's like to run a very small YouTube channel with all the commitments of work and home and family and all that stuff. So we hope that's something that you'll enjoy moving forward. Can you hear all those geese? Let's go over and look at these geese. They should be down south by now. Oh, this little squirrel's enjoying the fact that the snow melted. I'm actually going to sneak right through here and see what these geese are up to. Oh wow, there's lots of them. Now, make sure I don't slip on these rocks. Let's see. Oh wow. Do these geese know that they should be well down south by now? That's where we want to be. Yeah, I think they're confused. Okay, it's a little cooler here by the water, so it's enough for me. Now, if I don't break an ankle, we'll be all set. Oh, that wind is picking up. Now, we would love to keep the conversation going in the comments because in the new year, we're going to be looking at what our cruises are going to be later in 2026. And we would love your input in the comments, letting us know what cruise ship can we just not miss? What has been your favorite cruise ship? What ship have you not been on that you would love to see us bring information back from? So leave your comments, your recommendations, and we'll certainly take those into consideration as we get things going in 2026. Oh, the sun's coming out all of a sudden. That's excellent. And those geese, I swear they're laughing at me just walking along this trail, talking to a camera. But anyway, let's keep that conversation going. We'd also love to know, what are your non-cruise bucket list trips? Put those in the comments as well. Believe it or not, we do take some land vacations, as you'll see in our upcoming episodes from Europe. So we'd love to know what's on that list, because we're always looking to consider new destinations. Actually, I have a little challenge for you. Put in the comments where you're going on your next vacation, or where you'd love to go, but only use emojis. And us and the fellow viewers will try to guess where that is. See who gets it right. Now, we're not quite at the end of the year yet, but we want to take a moment to thank you, our subscribers and viewers, for coming along on our travel adventures. We really love bringing these videos to you. Now, as you're probably aware, we pre-tape all of our episodes, so we do still have that MS Rotterdam tour and all of our post-cruise adventure in Europe still coming to the channel, not to mention those two brand new cruises first thing in the new year. Be part of this little travel community here that we're building on the channel. We'd really appreciate it. Well, that's it for now. If you enjoy getting little updates like this, be sure to hit that like button. And of course, it's always a great time to subscribe. Lots of great content coming up soon. For now, happy travels. We'll see you in an upcoming episode. Now it's time to go get warm. Oh, and if you're wondering where Will is,